Hope everybody is fine. Already I have given so many videos in the beginning. After that, so many PDF file I have given because of some unavoided circumstance. I was not able to prepare the video. So we are already in the topics that is called the distributor. Okay, in the distributor we have already given some PDF file I have already uploaded. So mainly the distributor is nothing but what we can say that it's a place. It's a place from where the product can be distributed. Okay, so that is nothing but is called a distributor. It can be anyone. It can be a retailer shop. It can be a customer. It can be a manufacturer people also. It can be anyone. Okay, it's a place from where the product can be distributed. Now the thing is that how this distributor can be beneficial in the e-commerce, in the electronics commerce. That is our main concern. Okay, so in these topics I have already sent three topics regarding the distributor. Is nothing but what is distributor, what are the disadvantages and advantages of the distributor, and again we have seen that how the distributor used to think like a e-commerce. Okay, that means to do the beneficial how the distributor can be joined in a e-commerce. Okay, that one also we have seen, but the word itself is saying that one thing is that the distributor, mainly this distributor is that one depend on two model. You can think that one is the business to business and one is the business to customer. Okay, so business to business means a distributor to distributor, means one distributor can be sent or sell a product to the wholesale, or from the distributor direct to the customer can take the product. Okay, that is the one thing you can say. So today we are going to see that what are the different levels of the distributor. So today our topic is what are the different levels of the distributors. Mainly there are the three levels. So there are the three levels of the distributor channels. So the first channel is that it's a zero level. Zero level is nothing but one more word is called the direct distribution. It's nothing but from the manufacturer directly to the customer. That means the customer can take the product directly from the manufacturer. That is nothing but is called the zero level. That means that this is, you can say, the business, this is the customer. Just now I have told business to customer. That type of direct distribution is nothing but is called the zero level distribution channel. Okay, so the next one is that one level. One level is nothing but in between this manufacturer and the customer there is one more person used to come, that is, you can say that the retailer. Okay, now you can see here what type of model it is following. This is the business person, the retailer is the business person, and this is the customer. So how it is business to business, then to customer. Are you getting that? Business to business, because retailer are the business person, manufacturers are the business person, business to business, then to the customer. That is nothing but is called the one type of one level of distribution. So as usually you know that there the product cost is little bit less, compared to this it is more. Okay, again one more is that one two level distributor. The two level distributor is nothing but this one is there, one level is there. So in between that one level, one more is that wholesale. Nowadays you know that one, if you go for the offline, we are following this three level distributor, three level distribution channels. Okay, where the manufacturer, then the wholesale. That means the wholesale people used to take the product from the manufacturer, then the retailer people used to take the product from the wholesale, then we are the customer who used to take the product from the retailer. So here the which level model is following business to business, again from business to business, then to customer. That's what they have told, that the level of the distribution channel, or the, you can say that the distributor is following two type of model. One is the business to customer or business to model, that one business to business. So this zero level contain the business to customer, these two contain business to business plus customer. So these are the three type of the distributor. So in this three level of the distributor, I have not found that much of note and all. Please go through this video, and what I have told, try to grab that, and in the exam if it will ask, you have to write down in that one with a graphical representation. Thank you very much.